Hello folks, welcome to Lester's. Charles, this is your SR955HPC, less come enhanced. Show you what I've done to it. Flip it over here. Okay, I've upgraded the DC input buffer filter from a 470 microfarad to a 3300 microfarad. That'll help keep your power up on the peaks. Done the same thing with the voltage regulator. It was a 1000 microfarad, it's now 3300 microfarad. There's your CTCSS board. Okay. And I put a wider filter in there for yours. It's a 20 kilohertz wide filter. Okay, let's do some really quick power checks. I'm not sure, but I think this one may have the 13N10s in it, because look at the peak power. I'm on 38, RF power's all the way up, lower sideband. Audio. The multiplier's on ×2. Audio. And we do have a 100 watt slug, both in RMS and in peak. Okay, so this is average talk power. There where it says 40, that's 80. That little mark in between 40 and 60, that's 100. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio. So just a touch over 100 watts. Okay, let's switch to, well, let me turn the RF power all the way down. Okay. Audio, hello, hello, audio, audio, 1, 2, 1, 2, audio. So about 20 watts all the way down, peak. And now let's go to AM. Okay. Dead key in about 2 watts with RF power all the way down. Audio, hello, hello, audio, audio, 1, 2, 1, 2, audio, audio, hello. Multiplier still on ×2. Okay, now I'm going to turn RF power all the way up. Still on AM. We're dead keying now about 14 watts. Audio, hello, hello, audio, audio, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Audio test. Okay, now I'm going to switch to FM. We're doing about 40 watts on FM, dead key. Power all the way up. I'm going to turn power all the way down, and we're doing about 2 watts. Okay, we'll switch her back to lower side. Alright, let me get the covers on it. We'll do a final. Okay, Charles, there it is. Let me give you a quick how-to on using the CTCSS tone board. Okay, first thing you're going to do is go to Program. Okay, you're going to see R code. And if you turn the channel selector, you'll see T code. Okay, we want to start with R code. So the first thing you do is press the function button one time. You'll see CTCSS come up. And you press and hold function, and then it allows you to choose the tone. So what we want 103.5 hertz. Okay, that's what the local repeater is set on. Now you might want to change yours. Alright, and then you hit the function button again. Now we want to go to T code. Do the same thing. CTCSS. And we want to change this to, well, mine's 103.5. Okay, hit function again. Then the next thing you want to do is come out of Program, go to T-Squelch, which is TSQ right there. You want to use Tone Squelch. Right now it's off, so we want to turn Tone Squelch on. Okay. Okay, well, now we come out of Tone Squelch. Well, if you want to use it on a repeater, then you need to leave Tone Squelch on. Okay, but then to get back in normal mode, you turn Tone Squelch off. Okay. Now, of course, there's more detail on the Stryker website, and also I think there's some in the owner's manual. It's just the one in the owner's manual is not as good as what's on the website. But you can go there, and but you know, I mean, that's the basic function. Okay. Well, Charles, I sure hope you enjoy your new radio. It was my pleasure to set it up for you. 7-3, everybody. Stay safe.